Hello guys and welcome back to MSX tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix low FPS or just lagging in Kingdom Come Deliverance 2. Let's get straight into the video. Now the main thing that you're going to be able to do, or the thing that's going to work the most efficiently, is going to be turning down in-game settings. Now go ahead and just go into the in-game settings for Kingdom Come Deliverance and just turn everything down. So any type of quality, just turn it down. You can turn down your shaders quality, etc. What you can also do is, if you are on a very low end PC or a mid end PC, what you can do is you can turn down the resolution. So instead of playing on 1440p, you could probably play, or instead of playing on 1080p, you could play on like 720. That will definitely help fix the issue as well. It might cause like the game to look a little bit bad, but if you want to sacrifice, looks over frames, then you can go ahead and do that. Now, outside of the game, you can just make sure your drivers are updated for NVIDIA specifically. You can go over to GeForce Experience. You can make your way over to GeForce Experience. Go over to Not Now, and then just go over to drivers. Then you can go ahead and update your drivers from here. Now, if you are on AMD, what you can do is this can work for AMD and NVIDIA. Go to Device Manager, go to Display Adapters, and then from here, right click on your driver, hit Update Driver, and go over to Search Automatically for drivers. How do you want to search for drivers? Anyways, once that is done updating, you can go in and restart your PC, and once you're done with that, you guys should be good to go. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.